Hi guys, Zentusi here. We are all from Zentosius PTY. As you guys know, we are with the team here at Freedom Park. There's an event that is coming up next week called Ungasali Storytelling. And next to me, I'm standing next to Umamtan, who's one of the storytellers doing their thing. But so far, I'm going to let her speak. But then, a few questions in the Umamtan. We see you're all African and ready for the event next week. What can we expect from Utandi?
Well, from Utandi, you can expect the love for storytelling. Storytelling is an art form that I grew up with, handed down to me from my great-grandmother. It is through storytelling that I learned from a young age that storytelling is like an institution of learning in our culture. This is where, when the day is done, everybody comes together around the fire. Usually the eldest female member of the family, umakhulu, is telling stories. Kulapho where a lion suddenly can speak. Yes. An elephant, unogwaja, unamatrix, and all doing this because we use storytelling to bring about human nature. Mm-hmm. And this is how we teach African children. We teach them about our culture. We teach them. Storytelling is able to take complex issues, simple issues, those topics that we find difficult to talk about as human beings among the women. Our elders are able to turn them into magical journeys in order to address feelings, family life, family structure, community engagements, national issues. Whether you want to talk about the environmental science, environmental justice, how to respect, how to treat each other, all of that, we turn it into creativity. We use song, we use imagination, so that people are able to use their imagination to take yourself into a particular topic or into someone else's shoes and walk their journey so you can understand. This is how you can teach empathy to children. This is how you can question leaders, where you can question the leadership, parenting skills, and so on. We address all kinds of issues when we take storytelling and employ it as an institution, not only entertainment, but a place where we teach and we all learn together as a family.
Guys, she has said it all. Mina, all I can say is that make sure that you are here next week. So tell us, umuntu sekhaya wanna come join the event, wants to come support. Is it a free event? Do I just walk in? Do I buy the ticket?
For this event on the 15th of March, entrance to Freedom Park, entrance to see all the activities that will be happening, the storytelling, the exhibitions, the stalls, all of that is free. You don't have to buy the ticket. It's open to public. We are expecting children's schools that has been organized for them to ensure that they are able to arrive to this event. Because it is mostly the children for whom we want to bring about the love and the passion for our languages, indigenous languages. You can expect stories in different African languages. You can expect stories that are meant to give entertainment. That's just the African vibe that you can expect from that.
So lovely, Mamthandi, so lovely. So for someone who wants to follow you on social media, on a YouTube page, now in the Konindo Yako Pela, maybe for kids that want you to mentor them, you understand the thought for the type of thing now, but so you have YouTube account, where can you find it?
Definitely. I'm also just finding my way up. I'm an indigenous storyteller, someone who's very passionate and advocating for the decolonization and the freeing of the African voice. Our culture has for so long, for many years, been demonized, been sidelined. And in this case, I am also learning to be on social media. I have Facebook, it's the social media that I know. I am Wamukuba on Facebook. On TikTok, it's Gandami Storyteller. Yes, I'm also on Instagram.
Okay, what's the Instagram handle?
Instagram. It's the same. It's at Gandami Storyteller.
At Gandami Storyteller, yes. Guys, you've heard it from yourself. Please make sure that you are here next week to support this beautiful storytelling festival. From us, Zentosius PTY, please do not forget to follow us on our social media platforms. We have Zentosius PTY on Instagram and also Zen Foundation, the City Facebook page, and YouTube as well, which is Zen Foundation.